How to record voice in Message app on iPhone. At first, open Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps. Scroll through the list and tap on the Message app. Scroll down again. Here you can see Show in Text field. Tap on it. Change the selection from None to Record Audio. Now return to your home screen and open Message app. Tap the compose icon to start a new message. Tap on the plus icon and select your desired contact. Look at the text input bar at the bottom. You will see a wave icon on the right side. Long press on this icon to begin recording. Speak into your microphone. Tap the red stop button to end the recording. Tap the green send arrow to send this voice message. Make sure your MMS setting is turned on your iPhone to send this voice message. And that's it.